Hi, welcome to my channel Between Techie. So today we are going to learn about dictionary data type. Okay, so this one is dictionary data type, which is mutable. So what exactly dictionary data type is? Dictionary data type is used to store values or elements in the form of key and value pairs. Alright, let me tell you. Okay, before going, so let me just clear it. Next data type is dictionary data type, or else we can call it as dict. Okay, what is the use of dictionary data type? To store the values or elements in the form of key and value pairs. All right, so what is the syntax? Syntax is, let me write down the syntax. Syntax will be, we need to mention in the curly braces, so it will be key colon value comma key colon value. Let me mention it, key 1 value 1, then key 2 comma not comma colon value 2. Okay, dot, dot, dot. So like that. So this is the syntax. All right, now we'll see some examples. Okay, so here it is mutable. As I said previously, dictionary data type is mutable, so operations or functions on dictionary can be done. Okay, you can note down the standard form to declare any key is in the form of the string. Okay, so that is the standard format. We need to mention in the string format only. That means within the double quotes. All right, so let's go for some examples. Let me take one example of, some operations. Suppose we'll be having keys. Okay, we'll see. So why key is required? So to retrieve all the keys from dictionary. Suppose we have a dictionary, and if we want to retrieve all the keys, so we can use this operation, that is keys operation. That means keys function. All right, so let's take one example. Suppose I have one variable fruits is having a dictionary which consists of a is nothing but key, and what is the value of a? That is apple, comma, next is b. What is the value of b? Let's take banana. You can see everything I am writing in here in double quotes. That means in the string format I said just now. Okay, next is, let's take another one is C colon cherry. All right, so this is my dictionary. Okay, fruits dictionary. Let's take another variable as result equals to fruits dot keys. All right, let me print the result. So what will be the output? I have taken fruits.keys. So I want to retrieve from the fruit basket whatever the keys are available. That means all the keys I can retrieve from fruit dictionary, right? So let me just run it. You can see dict keys is having A, B, C. All these are keys. All right. Next, we'll look for, let me just comment it. We'll go for another operation. Okay. That is values. Values operation. All right. So what exactly values is? To retrieve all the values from the dictionary. All right. Okay. Suppose I'm having the same. Let me take the same example here. So this is my dictionary. Okay. Let me take one result equals to fruits dot values. You can see here. So this is values only. Okay. So values. And next, let me print the result. So what will be the output? The output will be all the values: apple, banana, and cherry, right? See here. All right. So likewise, we have some other um, dictionary operations, as clear, and also copy. Okay, clear and copy. So all these two also same as previous data types. Okay, so I am not going to write it again because both are same. Okay, so next we'll go for pop item. Okay, another operation is pop item. Okay, so next operation is pop item. Why pop item is used? It is used to delete keys and values which is present at the last. All right, suppose I am taking one example, same example I am taking here. Fruits dictionary I have taken, and let me just perform the pop item. All right, let me take result equals to fruits dot pop item. Okay, so pop item means, what did I say? So it will delete the last item. Okay, whichever it is present in the dictionary. That means C and cherry. Okay, C is key and cherry is its value. Okay, so it is going to delete all this. So now I am going to print my result. Let's see the output. Output should be A apple, B banana. Okay, so I'm sorry. So result is, so whatever pop item, I mean, so whatever we have deleted, that has been assigned to result. So we can see the last item which has been deleted, that is C and cherry. Okay, so how we can see what are the rest items in the dictionary? So that will be, we can see in the another print, that is fruits. Let's see. Fruits is having A apple, B banana only. C cherry is not there. Alright. So this is all about pop item. Let me comment it. Let's go for another operation, that is pop. So what is pop? Pop is used to delete user specific value. Alright. So whatever user specific value is there, so we are going to delete all those. Alright. So let's take the same example, A apple, B banana, and C cherry. Okay. And I have added to fruits dictionary. Alright. So inside the fruits dictionary we have all these items, and next I'm going to perform the pop. Result equals to fruits dot pop. Alright. Now I need to pass some key. You can see here I need to pass some key. So as per that, it is going to delete the user specific value. Okay. So suppose I am giving here B for banana. Okay. So now I am going to print the result. Okay, let's see. So result is banana. So what is the value has been deleted? That is banana. Okay, we can cross verify in the fruits also. So we have, now we can print the fruits. Let me just comment this one. See, fruits is having A for apple, C for cherry. Okay, B banana has been deleted. Alright, so now we'll be looking for another operation, that is set default. Okay, let me go for set default. This is another operation. Okay, why we are using set default? To add a key value pair to the dictionary. Alright, and we can specify the value, and this is the optional only. Okay, we can specify. If we do not specify any value, the default value will be none. Okay, so we can see the examples. Just a second. Suppose we have this one, a dictionary. Okay, we have the dictionary, and we can take A and apple. Okay, we have this dictionary, and let's perform the set default. Okay, fruits dot set default. So what did I say? If you are not specifying any value, so in that case it will be display as none. Okay, so I am just specifying only one key. I am not going to specify any value. Okay, so now we can see the difference. Let me print fruits. Okay, so what should be the answer? What should be the output? A apple, comma, B none. See, all right. So now we can also give the value pairs also. So likewise, comma, we can say B for banana. So if we will be running it, so the output should be A apple, B banana. All right, clear? So now we can go for another operation, that is get operation. All right. So why we are using get operation? Get operation is used to retrieve any value based on the key passed. Okay, whatever we are passing the key, as per that the value will be retrieved, right? Let's take one example. Let me take the same example. Let's say fruits is having A apple, B banana, C cherry. Okay, now let me take result equals to fruits dot get B. Okay, now let me just print result. All right, print the result. Okay, so see, so what is it is what exactly it has been retrieved. So B, for B it is banana. Okay, suppose let me take another get. Let me take result 2 equals to fruits dot get, suppose I can take T. So there is nothing in T, right? So let me just print the same, print value of result 2. What will the answer, what will be the output? Let me just comment it, none. Got it? So this is all about the dictionary data type. So now we have completed all the data types which is in Python codes, and there are so many others also, but mostly we are using these data types only. Okay, these are all main data types, so mandatory only, so you can go as per one. All right, so next we'll be looking for typecasting. So what exactly typecasting is? Typecasting is used to convert from one type to another type. All right, which means let me show you what exactly typecasting is. As I told you, typecasting is used to convert one from one type to another type. All right, so let's take one example. Suppose this is typecasting. We have A equals to 10, result equals to type of A, and let me just print the result. So we have taken one variable is 10, and we have taken another variable is result. So we have assigned the type of A, whatever the type of A we have assigned to result, and we are going to print the same result. So as I told you before, this is the integer type, right? We have not used any kind of decimal and all, so this is a integer type. So let's see what exactly it is. See, class integer. Okay, we can see the output. This is the class integer. If we change it as 10.56 something, so we have used the decimal point here. So what should be the answer? It should be a class float. All right, you can see the result here. Okay, let me take it in the form of double quotes. Double quotes means, I told you, this is the string format, right? See, class str. Okay, likewise you can check for other data types also, like list, set, tuple, dictionary, all these also you can check, right? Now we'll be looking for next topic is operators. What is operator? Operator means to perform different type of operations on variables and values. All right, to perform different type of operations on variables and values. Okay, so there are a lot of operators. We have arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational or comparison operator, logical operator, membership operator, identity operator, bitwise operator. So we'll be going through one by one. All right, let me take one example for operator. Okay, which operator I told you? Let's take one example for arithmetic operator. Okay, arithmetic operator. Okay, so what exactly arithmetic operator is? We have plus, minus, multiplication, division, modular. So all these are different kind of operators. All right, so let's take one example. 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2, and suppose 2 into 3, 2 multiplication 3, 2 minus 1, right? Suppose we want to use square root 2 double star 2. So all these are basic things. Okay, so likewise you can play around here. All right, so these are all different type of arithmetic operators. Okay, we can use, and let me take you to example. Suppose a equals to 2, b equals to 4, okay, and c equals to a plus b. Okay, so what will be the output of c? Let's see. C is a plus b. It is 6. All right, so likewise you can play around. So these are the arithmetic operators. Next we'll go for another operator, that is assignment operator. Alright, so assignment operator is equals to, plus equals to, minus plus, star equals to, modular equals to, or forward slash equals to, likewise, right? So assignment operator means we are assigning something, right? So we have seen example like a equals to 10. That means we are assigning some value to the variable. So here the equals to sign is the assignment operator. Alright. Now we'll be see next operator is relational operator. Relational or comparison operator. Okay, so what it exactly it is, like double equals to, next is you can say not equals to, next is less than, greater than, or less than equals to, or greater than equals to. Okay, so these are different kind of comparison operators. Okay, you must be having this knowledge. Suppose a equals to let me give you an example over here. A equals to 10 and b equals to suppose 20. Oh, I'm sorry, 20, and c equals to a comparison with b. Okay, now I'm just printing c. So a is 10, we have assigned 10 to variable a, we have assigned 20 to variable b, and we are comparing a double equals to b. That means what exactly it will be the output for this? It will be the boolean value. You can see here it will be the boolean value. So boolean value, whatever it will be, true or false, that will be assigned to c, and I am going to print the c. So it will be showing me true or false. So what should be the output? Output should be false. C, because a is not equals to b. Okay, let me change it to 10. So here a is equals to b. Okay, both are same, so that is why you can see it will be true. All right, so this is the relational or comparison operator. All right, next we can go for the logical operator. Logical operator means we can use and, or, not, all these. All right, suppose we can take one example of a equals to 10 and b equals to, let's say, 10. Okay, and let me check for both a and b. Okay, a and b, I'm just checking if it is 10 or not. Okay, so this comparison I have taken, both a and b is equals to 10, yes or no. Okay, so how I can store that value? Let's take another variable. Okay, let me print the same variable result. Let's see, both a and b are same, that is why it is returning true. If I am mentioning here 10 and 20, so it will be false. So in this case, if I'll use or, that means either a is 10 or b is 10, right? Let's see, it is true. If both are also 10, that is also true, right? Okay, so next will be go for another operator, that is membership operator. Alright. So what exactly membership operator is? To check if the element belongs to a specific group or not. Okay. Suppose we have one element and we have another group, whether that element is belongs to that particular group or not, we will check, right? So again, what should be the output we can see? We can see the true or false. All right. So let's take one example. Suppose a equals to 10 and b equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. I am creating one group. Okay, so this b is a group, and I have in that group we have the elements as 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, let me check the result equals to a in b. Okay, let me print the result. Okay, a is available in b, yes or no? So the answer is yes. That means it should return true. See, suppose I am taking here 100. 100 is belongs to b, yes or no? That is false. See, right? Or else we can use not in also. That means whether we can check like whether a value is 10, 10 is not in b. Okay, we can see not in b. All right, not in b. So is it true or false? 10 is there, that means it should be a true, but we are checking whether it is not in b. That means it is a false. See, all right. Okay, let's see another operator, that is identity operator. Okay, we'll take another example for this one, identity operator. Okay, what exactly identity operator is? Identity operator is nothing but to check if the elements are pointing to the same memory location. All right, so whether we are pointing to the same memory location or not, so we are just checking that one, right? So let's take one example. A equals to 10 comma 20. Okay, b equals to 20 comma 10. Okay, I'm just reversing it, but the elements are both are same, right? So let's take one example. C equals to a is b. Okay, let's print C whether a is b or not. So is, why we are using is for we are checking whether these two variables are pointing to the same memory location or not. Okay, so this is false. Why it is false? Why it is false? Because the elements you can see 10, 20, but b is here 20 and 10. So that is why it is false. Okay, let me take another variable. Let's say d equals to 10 comma 20. Okay, and let me compare with a and d. Okay, let's see. This is also false. All right, so that means these are not pointing to the same memory location. It can be like, you can see the elements are both are all are the same elements we are having, but they are having different memory location. All right, whenever we are creating a value is 1020 and d value is also 1020, but we are separately we are assigning this to a and separately we are assigning to the d. All right, so that is why, that means we have created a separate memory location for a and we have created for the separate memory location for d. So that is why this is not the, this is not pointing to the same memory location. Okay, all right, so these are all the examples. All right, let's take let's go for the next um, operator, that is bitwise operator. Okay, bitwise operator. So what is bitwise operator is like and, or, not. We have already seen in the form of logical operator. Okay, so here bitwise operator is logical and, logical or, logical not, logical XOR, left shift, right shift, etc, etc. Okay, so till now we have learnt about the typecasting operators, different operators we have, and also one data type, that is dictionary data type, right? I hope my video is helpful for you. So if you feel the same, please like, comment, share, and please do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.